Did you ever have a job where you had to reach in and cut some bramble out of your way, or reach up and cut a branch, and you didn't want to break the ladder out, you didn't want to stand on a regular ladder with a chainsaw? This 60-volt Senix cordless pole saw is my new best friend. It extends 14 feet, has a 10-inch chain. The chain is holding up very well. I did find replacement chains dirt cheap, 4 of them for like under $20. So far though, this chain has been holding up very well. Fairly new, but it's 14 feet, high quality. I think you're gonna really like it. You can't go wrong. Okay, these annoying branches keep scratching the side of my vehicle, especially when there's no way around it when there's snow. There's some thorns in there and just hard to get my hands in there. You know, with a trimmer, the sticker bushes really could cut you up. So let's give it a shot with the pole saw and see how it goes. So far cutting like butter. Cuts like butter. Everything's frozen right now. It's in the single digits out, but a beautiful day. But as you could see, it cut like butter. Let me clear some of this out of the way, do it after. As you could see, it only took about a minute for me to take care of all this bramble. Like butter. Let me do some closer up shots, if I can. Okay, mind you, this is one-handed here, because I got to hold the camera with the other hand. See, it's a pretty thick branch. Try an undercut. This is some nasty stuff, this multi-floor rose. Okay. multi-floor in the way here. See if I can get this. Okay, cuts like butter. Okay, so that's a quick overview of the thickness it could handle. Let me see if I could do an overhead shot. Right, here's the overview. You could literally tighten the chain with one hand. Okay, see I loosened it. Okay, tightening it. I don't want it too tight, but one-handed. Right, comes with a cover. Right, very easy latches to extend it. They work very well. Carbon fiber pole. Comes with a strap for your shoulder that I did not use. It's kind of hefty but not too heavy. Okay, it's got the trigger. Okay, so you can't just push it, you have to go like this. Okay, here we have the 60 volt 3 amp hour battery, which held up great. It has an eco mode, so a little less power, more time, which is fine if you're cutting briars and whatnot. Stretch your battery life out a little longer. Alright, it has the oil fill there, and did not use much oil, but it did use some. Okay, your brushless motor here. And basically this is an overview of this Senix 60 volt cordless pole saw. And it comes with the charger. So this Senix 14-foot extendable 10-inch chainsaw has exceeded my expectations. I highly recommend it. Battery life is excellent. This is a very cold day. It performed flawlessly. It extends nicely, very easy to cut overhead limbs. So if you want to know more about this, take a look at the description. You could click the link in the description. And anyway, if you like this video, if it helps somebody, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up, share, and I'll see you next time.